sure if you're watching this video, DEP has recently handed you a sewer repair order or a cease and desist notice. Now, some of you may have known this was coming, but I imagine that most of you did not see this coming at all. And I understand that this could seem daunting, and the big question I'm sure you're asking yourself is, how did DEP determine this is my issue? And why am I responsible? Well, there can be a few indications that there may be a severe sewer break. The most obvious would be a large sinkhole in the roadway or sidewalk, or sewage maybe entering your home or your neighbor's home, or possibly a nearby utility in the roadway or the sidewalk. There are also some other signs that might not be as noticeable. For example, maybe a small depression or a hole in the roadway or sidewalk of your property. Now, any of these factors could have triggered DEP to investigate what the underlying issue is. So there are two inspections DEP will perform to determine whose sewer is broken. It's either a dye test or a camera inspections. Note that both inspections require DEP to perform them inside your home at the main house sewer trap. A dye test is performed by pouring dye into the main house trap located in your home. The city sewer manhole cover will be removed, and the inspector will see if the dye reaches the city sewer from your trap. A camera inspection is performed by using a specialized camera that is inserted into your main house trap and then pushed through your sewer pipe. This video will show any issues or breaks on your line. So, the big question, why am I responsible, or am I responsible? If the issue is found to be on your service line, then yes, unfortunately, you are responsible for all costs associated with correcting your sewer line. It's very important to note that these notices may have a time frame in which the repair will need to be completed by. Please do not take this time frame lightly. If not repaired within the time frame DEP is granted, they could return to your property and shut the water off, which will result in added costs. Upon receiving the notice from DEP, it's important to contact a licensed master plumber. They will need to come and evaluate and provide an estimate to correct the issues at hand. In most cases, a spot repair can be performed, but that will depend on the severity of the break. I hope this information was helpful, and please, if you have received a sewer repair order or a cease and desist notice and would like to schedule an estimator to evaluate, then please call the number below. Thank you.